Thirst for knowledge. I mean, it's always good to learn new things. And especially, I like to teach these younger guys, or especially newer guys coming in. I like to teach them everything I know. And R4 does a great job having some type of educational training program here. So, it's always good to learn new things. And when you do work for R4, I mean, you got no choice but learning because, we have so much learning tools here that you could go on and learn anything, just about anything you want to know, you can learn.
Thirst for knowledge. It's more than having knowledge. It's wanting to learn more. Never being satisfied with the knowledge that we have. And I have to say, as a team, R4 has a lot of knowledge. Really smart people, people that have been in their industry for 20 years or longer, but people that are never satisfied to just keep doing it the same old way. We're always learning new methods, learning about new equipment or tools that we can utilize to make the job that much better. So having a thirst for knowledge is really key. And if somebody doesn't have a thirst for knowledge, then they're not a good fit for the company. If you don't want to learn more, then you're just going to fall behind. Having a thirst for knowledge is one of the most important things because that impacts everything else. If you're not a good team player, but you have a thirst for knowledge, well, you can learn how to be a good team player. So it's not just technical knowledge, but it's also valuable personal growth knowledge, business growth knowledge. It embodies everything else.
That's what I want, to acquire more knowledge to do my job better.
We have to be willing to learn more. I find, especially in my position, I'm not an accountant, but there's always something to learn to keep up with Jeremy and all his endeavors.
If you never want to learn anything new, then what are you doing? I mean, it's super important. You gotta have a hunger for learning more,
Thirst for knowledge. The owner of the company, in reality, is the person that encouraged all of us to have this thirst for the knowledge. And he provides different avenues always for us constantly improve our skills, learn new techniques to do our jobs, and new technology and tools. So that is very, very important here in the company.